right, here's the last problem. So again, with the rules of factoring, make sure it's in descending order with the highest degree typically first. Then you want to check for greatest common factor, and then you want to try factoring. Okay, so is this in descending order? Yes. Is there a greatest common factor? You may not see it, but the answer is yes. And guess what that is? It's a 3. So when I take out a 3, that leaves me 25x squared minus 4. Okay, do another double check. Does 25 and 4 have a number higher than 1 in common? If the answer is no, then you're done. If the answer is yes, then you need to still continue to pull out the greatest common factor. Okay, so now I've got 25, which is a perfect square, x squared is a perfect square, and 4 is a perfect square. So my a is equal to 5x, and my b, what times what is 4, is 2. So therefore, I will have 5x minus 2 and 5x plus 2. But Math Excel will tell you, no, you're wrong, because don't forget, you've factored out the greatest common factor. It needs to be included. So when you have everything put together, it needs to be able to go back to that answer. Okay, so let me just repeat. When factoring, make sure it's in descending order. Make sure you factor out the greatest common factor. Then you can work on your pods. And in this section, I really, really highly recommend you trying to do these problems, trying to use these rules. So when you have no like middle x's here, that tells you you need to be looking for a minus sign. If it's not a minus sign, it does not factor. If that's a plus, this here is a plus, it will not factor. No arguments there. Okay, but so just keep checking. Email me with any questions or ask me in class.